Students, today I am going to explain you about the development of sex organs. Okay, in previous chapter there is some information about the reproductive organs that we have not learned the previous chapter, that is reproduction in animals, okay, because it is excluded from your syllabus this year. So I will tell you what are the sex organs, how they develop, okay. So at the age, male sex organs like testes and penis develop completely, okay. See here, male reproductive organs are, or male sex organs are testis and penis. These are the male reproductive organs, okay. Testis produce the sperm cells. These organs are present in male, okay, boys. And this female sex organs, ovaries enlarge and ovum begins to mature. Ovaries start releasing mature ovum. Ovaries and ovum, these are the female sex organs, okay. And the ovaries release ovum. Clear? In boys, facial hair like mustache and beards grow. Hair start going on the chest of the boys, okay. So these are the secondary sexual characters. In both boys and girls, hair grow at the armpits and genital region. So that are the secondary sexual characters, okay. Girls and boys both have facial hair, okay, and the hair grows in the armpits. That are the secondary sexual characters. And the sex organs by which children identify as boys or girls. By the sex organs from which the children identified as boys or girls at their birth. So it represents as primary sexual characters, okay. See here, male reproductive part testis secrete sex hormone called testosterone, okay. This is a hormone present in male, okay. Testes secretes this hormone testosterone. And female reproductive part ovary secretes sex hormone called estrogen and progesterone, okay. So what I have shown you, this all paragraph contain that, okay, information. Now here, reproductive phase of life in humans. Reproductive phase, okay. So you all know that reproduction is most important for continuation of human race. In 7th class you have learned about reproduction in plants, okay, and reproduction in animals. So reproduction is the most important part for continuation of human life, okay, human race. So you all know that reproduction takes place with the fusion of male and female gametes, okay. Both in 7th class you have learned about the reproduction in plants, okay, like that only here also fusion of male and female gametes give rise to reproduction, okay. So do you know when do our reproductive capacity begin? Okay, I will tell you. See here, reproductive phase of life in humans, adolescents, okay, become capable of reproduction when their testes and ovaries begin to produce gametes. So adolescents become capable of reproduction when their sex organs begins to produce gametes. Gametes nothing but cells, okay. So there is no specific age for that, okay, particular age nahi hai. Mostly in between 11 to 15 years they are capable of reproduction, okay. So it differs from person to person. Person to person it may be different, okay, not same. So estrogen is the hormone from which girls are reacting adolescent period earlier than expected. So this estrogen is the hormone from which girls are reacting adolescent period earlier than expected. So from the age that are expecting to be adolescent, before that only girls are reacting as adolescents, right, by the estrogen hormone. And this fact may also affect the boys and delay the reach of the reproductive phase. So this fact may also affect the boys also, okay, and delaying the reach of reproductive phase. First menstrual cycle begins as adolescence and termed as menarche. This menstrual cycle will go in the female and this begins at adolescent period, okay, at 11-12, or that first menstrual cycle known as menarche, starting period of menstrual cycle, okay. It is a sign of releasing ova in female reproductive life. So at 45 to 50 years of age the menstrual cycle stops. So it starts at 11 to 12 and stop at 45 to 50 years of age. So menstruation cycle also stop. So that stage is called menopause. See here, he has given sequential order of reproductive stage. Okay, based on this he has asking some question. You have to answer the following questions. So male, female. Male reproductive part, okay, testis, and testis produce sperm. Female reproductive part, ovary releases ovum, okay, and then this ovum wait for fusion at fallopian tube, part of the ovary, okay, fallopian tube. Then sperm and ovum takes fertilization. Okay, then zygote will be formed. Clear? So in females, the reproductive phase begins at 10 to 12 years of age and lasts till the age of 45 to 50 years. Okay, and the ova begins to mature with the onset of adolescence, and ovum matures and released by one of the ovary once in about 20 to 30 days. So during that period, wall of the uterus become thick to receive a fertilized egg, and if this occurs, result in pregnancy. Okay, so if fertilization does not occur, the released egg and thickened lining of uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. So this is the menstruation. Okay, so at the 45 to 50 years of age, the menstrual cycle stops. This is known as menopause. I have earlier said you. So this menstruation or menstrual cycle occurs once in about 20 to 30 days. In some cases it may be irregular. So when it may be irregular, so you have to consult with a doctor. Next, menstruation and myth. Myth is nothing but you can call a story also. Okay, so some people will be say that at the time of menstruation, women are untouchable. Okay, they are asked for keep a distance with others, and during this time girls may be restricted from taking bath and cooking or going to school. So in that case, they lag behind their studies. Okay, so in some sections of the society, when women are also forced to stay in the huts built at the outskirts of the village. In some sections of the society, the women are forced to stay out of the village. In the huts means out of the village, built at the outskirts of the village. Some huts may be built at the outskirt. Outskirt means out of the village or neighborhood of the village. Okay, so the women are also forced to stay in the huts. Next, चाइल्ड मैरिज ए सोशल एविल. बच्चों की शादी समाजी बुराई है. ओके, सोसाइटी में बुराई के बराबर है छोटे बच्चों की शादी कर देना. सो आप सबको मालूम है मैरिज सोशल और कल्चरल प्रैक्टिस है. ओके, टू प्रोड्यूस नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इन अवर कंट्री. ओके, मैरिज क्या है? सोशल और कल्चरल प्रैक्टिस है टू प्रोड्यूस द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. ओके, सामाजिक तौर पे करते शादी. ओके, और रिवाज भी माना जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए शादी क्या है? एक सोशल और कल्चरल प्रैक्टिस है. ओके, इन आवर कंट्री. सो बिफोर रीचिंग द रिक्वायर्ड एज टू गेट मैरिड इज एन अनहेल्थी इशू. उम्र से पहले अगर शादी कर दिए तो अनहेल्थी इशू होता. कैसा होता देखेंगे. ओके, चाइल्ड मैरिज इज सोशल एविल विच काउजेस अनवांटेड डैमेज टू देयर लाइव्स. लेट अस रीड द स्टोरी ऑफ लता हु फाउट अगेंस्ट हर मैरिज. सो चाइल्ड मैरिज को सामाजिक बुराई क्यों बोले? क्योंकि उससे लाइफ्स को डैमेज हो सकती, जान जा सकती छोटे बच्चों की शादी कर देने से. ओके, कैसा देख सकती है अपन पढ़ेंगे, आगे पढ़ेंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे लता की स्टोरी है जो उनके मैरिज के अगेंस्ट थी. उनको कम उम्र में ही शादी करते बोले तो उन्होंने अगेंस्ट हो गए थे. वो स्टोरी है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. लता वो स्टडिंग 8th क्लास इन बिजाराम विलेज ऑफ कोस्की मंडल इन महबूबनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. हर पेरेंट्स डिसाइडेड टू गेट हर मैरिड. शी प्रोटेस्टेड as much as possible. So Lata is a girl who was studying in 8th class in Bijaram village of Koski Mandal, okay, in Mahbubnagar district. So her parents has decided to get her married, okay, to get married of Lata. So she protesting, she's fighting against her marriage, okay, and she's trying as much as possible to stop her marriage. But they did not agree. Teachers and local social workers and officials stopped this child marriage. Now she is studying in the school along with her friends. So the Lata parents are not agreeing for this. Okay, so teachers and social workers who are there, they helped Lata and they stopped the child marriage. Now she is studying in the school along with her friends. This is one of the story, okay, of child marriage. So you have to discuss in your class, okay, why it is a social sin, okay, why it should be avoided. So okay, so let's see. You have to know that in our country the legal age for marriage is 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. अपनी कंट्री में क्या है लीगल एज? लड़की की उम्र 18 साल रहना और लड़के की 21 साल. उससे पहले शादी नहीं करना, अदरवाइज इट डैमेज टू देयर लाइफ्स. ओके, दिस इज बिकॉज टीनेज मदर्स आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली और फिजिकली फॉर मदरहुड. सो द गर्ल्स विल फेस ए प्रॉब्लम while delivering a baby. Okay, so and they lost their lives also. So early marriage and motherhood cause health problem to the mother and the child, and the mother and child both of them face problems. Okay, if the marriages are being done in early ages. So it also curtails employment opportunity of the young woman and may cause mental agony. So it can reduce the employment opportunities also, okay, of the young women, and may cause mental agony, means mentally hurt or pain, okay, and she is not ready for responsibilities of motherhood. Fast and frigid. Speed or slow, fast or frigid. So adolescence is the growing age where physical changes takes place. Apart from this, we may observe some changes in behavior also. Adolescents are very fast in taking decisions. They do not want to be forced to do any work, behave sometimes fast and sometimes frigid. सो एडोलेसेंस ऐसी एज रहती जहाँ पर फिजिकल चेंजेस होते बॉडी में, राइट. उससे हटके बिहेवियर में भी चेंजेस आते. एडोलेसेंस क्या करते, जल्दी जल्दी डिसीजंस ले लेते, ओके, बगैर सोचे डिसीजंस ले लेते, और कोई उनके ऊपर फोर्स करे तो भी वो लोग काम करना नहीं चाहते, फोर्स करे तो. कभी अच्छा बर्ताव करते, कभी ऐसे ही, कभी फास्ट काम कर लेते, कभी स्लो करते, ओके, फास्ट एंड फ्रिजिड. सो दिस इज एक्टिविटी 4, ओके. So you have to read the following checklist. I will show you, and the points which same as your behavior, you have to put tick mark on that, okay. So see here, this is a checklist, okay. You have to learn the following sentences, and which reflecting your behavior, you have to put the tick mark here. For example, prefer to spend more time before the mirror and like to use perfumes at the age of adolescence, right, like this, okay. And feels only friends are correct, not parents, no. Feeling responsibility in work allotted at school, house, yes. So like this, you have to read all these following sentences, and which is similar to your behavior, you have to write, okay. So now see here, to make your future in the right way, you know more about adolescence, okay. You need to know more about adolescence. So for this, here are some points to help. Do you know why you behave like this? So here some points are there, right. So what is good, what is bad, you know, right. But you people are more inclined towards which attracts you. You know what is good or bad, but which looks good to you, you will like that only. So these are all the common in the phase of adolescence. At the time of adolescence, these things are common, okay. You will interest towards your body and yourself, okay. That is natural activity, and attraction towards the opposite sex is also a normal response. No needs to worry. It's happened in the age of adolescence, okay. And the mind of the adolescence is full of jealous acts and urge to find reasons of several things around. They develop abstract ideas as well. So the mind of the adolescent is full of zealous act and urge. Zealous act means showing great emotionals, okay, or urge means wishes, and you have to find the reasons of several things which are around you, okay. So emotionally, they are in turbulent state all the time. They get new thoughts for their life activities. So emotionally, by the natural activities only, the adolescents get confused. Turbulent state means they will in confusion state, okay, at that time, and the new thoughts will be goes in the mind regarding to their life activities. So adolescents behave in a different manner as compared to what they did during childhood with peers and elders. So adolescents behave in a different manner, okay. The habits will be changed compared to their childhood with peers and elders. So adolescents are more independent in nature and very self-conscious. When the child will becomes adult, so he is more independent, okay. And adolescents feel insecure while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and the mind. They seek company of friends to share their feelings even if they are of opposite sex. So adolescents feel insecure while they are trying to adjust the changes in the body and mind within himself. So they want to share with the friends. This is also normal, okay. So they need a lot of attention, love, care, as well as answer to all their queries means questions, okay, regarding to their body and its development.